Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to level up fast in Survivor.io. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and level up fast in Survivor.io. So if your goal is to level up fast as possible in Survivor.io, the key is to maximize your daily rewards and spend your resources efficiently. So, complete daily missions. Daily missions provide a steady stream of XP, gold, gems, keys, and upgrade materials. Try to complete all of them every day as they are one of the fastest sources of account progression. You need to use all of your energy. Don't let your energy, of course, sit at the cap. Complete main chapters, play daily challenges, and use quick patrols every day. The more energy you spend, the more XP and upgrade materials you earn. Claim, of course, petrol rewards regularly, participate in early events, upgrade your gear, and pick skills that help you level fast. And you can also go and join an active clan. That is what people tend to do. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.